The Egro 1 is more suited to higher volume operations, whereas your Egro 0 is for lower volume locations, restaurants that are going to be doing less than about 100 drinks per day. This machine operates off 110 volts as opposed to the Egro 1, which operates off of 220. Okay, so there's a big difference in capacity. Let's use a manual steam one for the two-step version. Doesn't utilize a touch screen, it just has a keypad version. 2 hoppers still. The powder module is an option. You see it here, but it comes in an option. So you can get the one step, which is called the quick milk, where you need a refrigerator. The pure coffee, it was without the refrigerator, you use the steam wand. And then the powder module. iSteam is not available on the Zero. It just doesn't have the software that enables it to run. Okay? Utilizes the same brew module, which is called a durable brew module. Very sturdy, very good quality. Goes for 50,000 shots or 1 year before it needs a maintenance. And the quality of the espresso is very good. So, just to do a shot, espresso. Correct. Your group you can adjust for up and down based on your sizes. That's it. Here we have a milk on demand feature, which is simply something that's programmable, where if you want milk on demand, you hit the button for milk and you keep it pressed. Okay. Of course, regular beverages, you can program the milk from the one step, like you see on the cappuccino. Make a large cappuccino. Programming is a little bit different. It has it's not a touch screen, but it has a display screen and walks you through the menu items.